Hi friends, you are welcome in RL Math classes. Our today's chapter is trigonometry. At first, let us see how the word trigonometry made up. In trigonometry, there are three words. This word is made up of Greek words and that are tri, gona and metri. Tri means three, gona means sides and metri means measure or measurement. That means using trigonometry we can measure the sides of triangles. If some sides of triangle are given, then we will find the remaining sides using trigonometry. If some angles are given, then we will find the remaining angles using trigonometry. In this way, we will find the remaining sides or remaining angles of triangle. But here the triangle is used only right angle triangle. Using trigonometry, we will find the height of trees, the distance of ship from the lighthouse, and the height of towers, etc. At first, this total chapter is depending on only formulas. There are so many formulas in trigonometry, but how to remind the formulas in a short tricks. Using this trick, we will remind the formulas and solve most of the examples of trigonometry. At first, let us see which are the formula and how to remind it. In trigonometry, there are 6 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. These are 6 ratios of trigonometry. Trigonometry plays a vital role around only right angle triangle and not other triangle. Only right angle triangle. Triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Angle B is of 90 degree. Suppose angle C is of theta. Theta means measure of angle. The measure of angle C is theta. Hence, write here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. We have taken here only one angle, that is C, and its measure is theta. In right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree and angle A and angle C are acute angles, and in trigonometry we can take only acute angles. We have taken here only angle C as theta. Side AB is opposite theta, opposite side. BC is adjacent side of theta. And side AC is hypotenuse. This is in the comparison of theta. AB is opposite side of theta, BC is adjacent side of theta, and hypotenuse is AC. We can write opposite side in shortly OS, adjacent side AS, and hypotenuse H. Okay. At first, see the meaning of these ratios. Sin theta means opposite side upon hypotenuse, means OS upon H. Remind it shortly, OS upon H. Cos theta means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. AD adjacent side as upon h. Tan theta means opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side. If we will remind these three ratios perfectly, then the remaining three ratios are opposite the three ratios. Opposite of sine means reciprocal of sine is cosec. The ratio of sine is os upon h, and hence its reciprocal is h upon os. Cos and sec are reciprocals of each other. Cos and sec are reciprocals. Cos is as means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Here h upon as. And tan and cot are reciprocals of each other. As upon os. These are the values of each ratio: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta. Remind these ratios serially: sin cos, tan cot, sec, and cosec. Using these two ratios, we can make here formulas. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. We have taken here sin and cos serially. Sin theta means cos 90 minus theta. If we have taken here cos theta, then sin theta 90 minus cos theta, 90 minus theta. These are two formulas about sin and cos. If we have taken here sin, then cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. Let us take another two consecutive ratios, tan and cot. Tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta, and cot theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. And last two ratios, sec theta and cosec theta. Sec theta equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec theta equal to sec 90 minus theta. These are formulas about the serial ratios. We have taken here serial ratios: sin cos, tan cot, and sec cosec. Okay. If we have taken here the reciprocals ratios, sin and cosec are reciprocals of each other, cos and sec are reciprocals of each other, and tan and cot. The product of two reciprocal ratios is 1. Sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Sin and cosec are reciprocals or opposite ratios of each other, and their product is 1. Using this formula, we can make here another two formulas. Sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta. If we have take sin theta here, then the cosec theta will divide 1. Another cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Using this opposite ratios product 1, we can make here two formulas. Sin theta means 1 upon cosec theta, cosec theta means 1 upon sin theta. Again, cos theta into sec theta, cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. The value of cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta, and sec theta means 1 upon cos theta. And the last two reciprocals, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. The value of tan theta means 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta means 1 upon tan theta. Okay, these formulas we have made here using the reciprocals ratios. There are another two special formulas of tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Tan means sin upon cos, and cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. These are special about tan and cot. And there are some trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities. Trigonometry most important three formulas of trigonometry identities are sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. These three formulas are called trigonometry identities. Friends, these are some tricks how to remind the trigonometry formula. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe it and share it.